to our video introducing the E-N12 modern harvester head that delivers even in dense forests. Thanks to its power-to-weight ratio, it ensures flexible and with a durable design. A solid steel frame ensures high cutting precision. Rollers with more durable bearings without damaging the wood. Protection system for rollers reduces wear span. Optimized oil systems provide maximum stable operation in all. Despite harsh winter weather, the John Deere H414 operates smoothly, processing trees quickly and precisely. Its optimized technology allows the equipment to adapt easily to various working conditions, minimizing downtime and maximizing harvesting efficiency. With the John Deere H414, logging becomes faster, more accurate, and more cost-effective. It is truly an ideal solution for professional forestry. This video showcases the entire process of loading and transporting logs from the forest to a collection point or processing plant. This operation requires seamless coordination between machinery, operators, and environmental conditions to ensure both safety and efficiency. The scene opens with a snow-covered forest. Majestic mountains stretch to the horizon, dotted with green pine trees left standing after the logging process. On a rugged trail deep in the woods, a log loader with a hydraulic crane stands next to a massive pile of timber, ready to take on the crucial task of lifting logs weighing hundreds of kilograms onto the truck bed. Thick snow blankets the ground, posing a significant challenge for both machines and operators. Reduced traction demands a high level of skill from the operator to maneuver the crane precisely without causing any hazards. Nearby, a specialized logging truck is already positioned, equipped with side stakes to secure the logs during transport across rough terrain. Before us lies a breathtaking view of a snow-covered forest. Large harvested logs have been gathered along the edge of a narrow mountain trail. In the frame, a log loader with a crane operates skillfully, lifting logs weighing hundreds of kilograms onto the truck bed. Before loading, the trees had already been felled using high-powered chainsaws or specialized harvesters. Workers or machinery then clear the area, removing smaller branches and limbs to ensure the logs are neatly prepared for transport. The logs are dragged or transported to a temporary staging area using a skidder, where they are arranged in parallel stacks, making it easier for the machinery to access and load them onto the truck. The log loader moves slowly as its crane arm extends toward the pile of harvested logs. The operator carefully adjusts the controls, lowering the hydraulic grapple gently around a large log before tightening its grip just enough to secure it without cracking the wood. Once the log is firmly held, the crane gradually lifts it, hoisting it off the snowy ground. Snow and sawdust cascade down as the log rises, leaving a distinct gap in the pile. With precise movements, the operator smoothly rotates the crane, maneuvering the log toward the truck at an exact angle to avoid collisions with the loader or surrounding obstacles. This powerful yet agile machine effortlessly grips the hefty log and lifts it with ease. The surrounding snow trembles slightly as the log is hoisted, leaving a smooth, compressed imprint on the ground below. The first log is gently placed under the truck bed. The sound of wood striking wood echoes through the cold air, emphasizing the sheer weight of each log. The loader operator repeats the process, carefully lifting and stacking each log in a specific order. Larger, heavier logs are placed at the bottom to lower the truck's center of gravity, reducing the risk of imbalance when navigating steep terrain. Logs of similar size are arranged closely together in parallel layers, optimizing cargo space for maximum efficiency. The spacing between logs is carefully managed to prevent overpacking, ensuring an easier unloading process later. From a high-angle view, the neatly stacked logs form a solid, secure load on the truck bed. A worker stands nearby, closely monitoring and guiding the process to ensure everything goes according to plan. One by one, the logs are carefully arranged. The larger logs are placed at the bottom to create a stable center of gravity, while smaller ones are stacked on top to maximize space efficiency. Meanwhile, the truck driver attentively observes, ensuring each layer is properly positioned to prevent misalignment or imbalance during transport. Once the loading is complete, the next crucial step is securing the logs. Workers use steel straps and chains to tightly fasten the entire load, ensuring that the logs remain stable and do not shift or fall during transit. Key factors to check before transporting logs. Strap tightness. If too loose, the logs may shift or fall during transit. If too tight, excessive pressure could damage the wood surface. Truckload capacity. Ensure the load does not exceed the legal weight limit to prevent damage to the braking system and tires. Load balance. Uneven weight distribution can destabilize the truck, especially on sharp turns or rough terrain. The truck driver conducts a final inspection, checking tire pressure, braking systems, and the engine before departure. Everything is set. Now it's time to transport these valuable logs to the processing plant. The fully loaded truck begins its journey, leaving deep tire tracks in the pristine snow. In the distance, snow-capped mountain peaks create a stunning backdrop for the logging industry, a place where humans and machines work together to conquer nature, transporting valuable timber from deep within the forest to processing plants. Loading logs onto the truck is not just a mechanical task, it is an art, where skill, experience, and precision determine both efficiency and workplace safety. The sight of powerful machines operating in the wild is a testament to technological advancements and the resilience of forestry workers. The image of workers and machinery enduring harsh conditions is a clear reflection of the perseverance and professionalism within the logging industry. More than just transportation, This process is a harmonious collaboration between humans, machines, and nature, ensuring that each log is harvested safely and efficiently. Thank you for watching the video.